It's a stingray.
Dynamite cars.
Right, welcome to Dynamite Cars. We're here with Mr. Ian and the beautiful Stingray. And we're going to ask him a few questions about that beautiful thing. First of all, how did you get it here?
I imported it about 8 years ago from America. I found it online at a big car and a nationwide classic car sales website.
Lovely.
And I had some friends in Atlanta that lived nearby, some former work colleagues. And I had them check it out, and they said it looks pretty good. And I bought it, imported it over, and it took me about 5 months to get it here, and about, I think, another 12 months to license it. Actually, everything that went wrong, and eventually I got it here, licensed, and I'm very happy with it.
It's amazing. It's 70s.
It's a 1969. It's a Roadster. I'm the 7th owner. The great thing about the car, and what I didn't realize, was that it was probably in better condition than I should have, got it at.
It's true. I mean, the 69.
They made 34,000 of these in that year, and they rushed to make them. They didn't sort of do good rust protection or anything like that. And this car lived a good life. It was probably a garage queen. It lived indoors. It didn't run on salt roads. So where it should have been corroded, it wasn't. It hasn't been.
That's amazing.
And it's a dealer specification. It's nothing special, but the specification is quite desirable. It's a 350 horsepower version of the 350 cubic inch, 4-speed manual. And it's red. It's got all this.
The chrome trim.
Yeah. It's the chrome bumper version. The first 5 years of the C3 were chrome bumpers, and that's the valuable one. That's the one to have.
That's the one to have with the pop-up headlights.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Can we take a little tour around?
Yeah, go and open the doors, have a look around inside.
Thank you very much. Definitely. It looks amazing.
Open the bonnet, just lift it up and.
Stingray.
Other side. Comes through.
And look at how you open the door handle. Oh. Left-hand drive, baby. Look at that.
Yeah.
350 mint. Alright, with the pop-up headlights.
You got that grey car there might have been, I forget, it might have been more than 10 cents.
Oh, thanks.
Would have been, it's a resto mod in the 1950s of a 1930s hot rod. Very, very early Escort.
Yeah.
Fiesta.
SS. Oh, gosh. mint.
Oh, I know you will pay for it.
Yes. Hey, how's it, guys? Is this you guys? She looks amazing.
Thank you.
Cheers.
So I work in progress, you know how it goes.
Yeah, picky. She looks lovely. Sick Firebird Trans Am. Nice. They got the shape though. American cars. Oh. Let's look how long this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This is like almost 16 feet. Oh, the shape, bro. They got the curve, guys. Get how it dips into the car. Ah, shit. It's a 289. Oh, they got it. Like the type thing. Oh, no, this is America. Yeah. Triumph. Oh. Pop-up headlight, I'm a vet. Ah, sis. Oh. $5.7. Yes. Never seen that. Spirit of ecstasy. I'm touching the spirit of ecstasy. Hey baby, so cute. Look at you, baby. Ah, this is tough, man. You know what? tank. This thing is beautiful. Look at the body kits. The paint job is impeccable. Looks fresh, looks recently done. 911 turbo. Oh! It's a Countach! Oh, shit, boy. It's a Countach. I'm sorry. It's a Countach. Hey, how's it? How's it? It looks amazing. Do not touch. Oh, this is so amazing. GT40. Oh. So it's called the GT40 because it was 40 inches tall. Oh man. This is sick. This is sick. This is the Ferrari killer. The original Ferrari killer. The whole back is a clamshell. And it opens up like this. Look at how crazy this manifold is. That's anyway, I can't say it anymore. Oh man. Custom builds from scratch. This is just a custom build. You can see that it's custom build. Yeah, but show you that design. E46 carbon fiber. carbon fiber. Oh, wait. SMT transmission. This is mint. Alright, next to it is a goosh. Look at the goosh. Next to it is a beetle. Look at the beetle. Oh shit. Aztec. It's Japanese. Oh, look at this, man. Look at the air intake. Oh, whoa, whoa, sorry. Oh, bro, you have to give us a rev now. You have to. Woo! One more, one more. Oh. Ah, thanks, man. Looks lovely, bro. This is a monster. I'm gonna give myself ice cream. Oh. This thing is almost twice my height, bro. Oh. So everybody who got stunts, everybody who got a low rider, this is the stunts of the year. Ah. Stunts of the year. Look at that. I'm not seeing all the car. This is gonna be the longest long form video. Oh. Cobra. 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 Oh, look and enjoy.
Danny!
How's it, good man? Are you good, guys? Awesome. Are these your babies?
Right?
These are your babies?
Yeah.
Hey, they look amazing. It's a cobra. Oh. Welcome to Dynamite Cars, and this is Dion. Shout out to Dion, he's the one that hooked us up with the Tata deal. Please run us through this M3.
So yeah, we got something very special. E92 2008 pre-LCI M3 Coupe. Naturally aspirated, S63, V8. All the preventative maintenance has been done on this car. Only has 117,000
So the rod
Ks.
bearings, they have been taken care of.
Done.
Done.
Everything done. Alpine white with the right wheels for this car.
Yeah.
Carbon roof.
Carbon roof.
Manual transmission, which you do want in this car, because this car drives so much better with a manual.
It does.
It's just supremely clean. Everything is ticked and it's spec'd the right way. And then you got your individual spec over there. E36 M3 sedan.
That's a dad.
Dakar yellow, Silverstone interior. Just how it should be. True collector's dream car. Only 146,000 Ks on it. Only 146,000 Ks on a 1998.
Only. Ah, it's fresh.
My guy Mikhail.
That's good, bro. Awesome, man. Ah, it's lovely.
This is his baby.
This is you. My girlfriend. Man, this should be your wife, right? You should marry this thing.
I choose that one. You take
And
this
the
one.
wife. And the mistress. Everything.
Yeah.
Man, I love this. But the coupe for me. Oh, that's the one. But I love this. Exactly, bro.
It's
Awesome.
better.
Ah, shit. Oh, cheers. Let's take another one. We'll come back and see you guys. No, man, that was a good one. China, Nyamala. The sound they're called. Oh, DBS. I should nah. 3.5 liter V6. It's all tell the people. Come on, hey, don't disrespect the legend, bro. No, lane a body kit. That's a body kit. It's a body kit. Oh, updated lives. Yeah, well. Pt.2 was my ultimate car. And I Need for Speed Underground.
Alright, she's got it. Alright, let's stop the board. Alright, well done. Next up, we've got Miss Congeniality. Miss
Shout out to
Congeniality.
Dia.
Jessica.
600.
Next up.
Oof. Look at this, baby. Oh, this is nice. So this is the before and after. Let me just get it. Four-sprung Japan technique. Look at the clever slogan. You know the slogan. So it's four-sprung Dodge technique.
The second princess runs goes to you.
Oh, definitely. Thanks. Cheers. Speed and sound.
And then our first prize. Alright, beautiful.
I think they make these things. This is tough. What? Oh. Hey. California knows how to party. Can I take a picture of the Frenchman and the Englishman? Ah, look at them. Hey, how's it, guys? How are you doing? It looks so cute, man. Ah. Oh. Oh, thank you, thank you.
South Africa.
Yebo.
Umuntu onalo engaziyo Mr.
Trito, Trito. Leka the way lisithe ngakhona. Lele la ile original Trito. Hayi leli. That's lovely, boy. That's lovely. Photo. 5 door. Shy lapho mjiki. That's okay. Compress. Can we get some fruit? Woo, woo. Yes. Oh, look at the presence of this. Woo! Ay, shit, man. Electric. Oh. Alparin. One Pirelli. Yes. Butterfly doors, eh? How much? Oh, be bye. Bye, be bye.